This came from the Avata. It got so expensive real quick. Now I got 3 drones. Today, I just took Part 107 test. But here's the problem. I only studied last night. Let me take you back yesterday on how I prepared for this test. So I'm teaching Molly how to fly a drone using a DJI Mini 2. This is our first flight ever.
Where'd it go?
All right.
It looks like a giant bug.
Mila, don't get up. Mila, get away. Land it all the way down there. I told you it's nerve-wracking the first time.
I don't trust. I don't like when I can't see it.
That was her first drone flight. It was nerve-wracking. I was nervous for the drone as well.
I wouldn't hurt.
But eventually she'll be able to get it.
Eventually. I did something new today.
You did something new today. That is so cool. Right. And this. Let's see. Can't see anything. I guess I gotta charge this first. Still waiting. Looks like can't find it, so I gotta pair it. All these wires dangling. So just it's kind of weird. Time to practice flying the DJI Avata. That was so cool! So much different. This is probably the most exciting experience when it comes to the drones, man. It was different. Today's the day. I'm nervous a little bit since I only studied yesterday, so I only studied 24 hours prior to the Part 107 exam, and I woke up early this morning at 5:30. Did a lot of practice tests, studied the charts. So my test is in about an hour, so I'm about to head out of here. Just gonna get some food, and we'll see if I pass. Green for money. I'm a little nervous. One day of studying, I don't know if it's enough. I passed the test! Oh my goodness. Or I studied 24 hours ago, read a lot, took a lot of practice tests this morning until I took the test at 10:30. I passed the test. I got a 78. It says pass. So 2 weeks ago, I applied, so I paid the money to schedule my Part 107 test, which is a requirement for me to get my license. Why 2 weeks? I mean, that's as soon as I could get it. I know myself, I gotta give myself a deadline. So I gave myself a deadline, scheduled it for 2 weeks, and today was the day. Yes, I watch a lot of YouTube videos on how to fly your drone. I study the rules and regulations on flying the drone, so, I am not, an idiot flying around not knowing what right looks like. As you can see, it's not that hard to pass. You just gotta have a good understanding, go to the website and download the study guide that FAA already have posted on their website. And I'm gonna link that in the description below. So those are the only study guide really I used. You don't need a month, you don't need 2 days, and definitely you don't need to pay anyone for a course, for a study guide. Everything is available to you. This should be free. So don't be scared. It's gonna be all right. You're gonna pass it. Just give yourself a deadline and take the test. Definitely watch a lot of YouTube videos. Use the practice test available. There's so many out there. It's a simple Google search. It's been fun. It's been nerve-wracking. I'll catch you later. Now let's go fly.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.